I would like to make some clarifications. There is no news cycle for the dark entity that was cut off by Archangel Michael. Again, there is no news cycle for the dark entity that was cut off by Archangel Michael. August 2023. That person was cut off by Archangel Michael, and after he was being cut off, I got my engagement to the King of Lyra on September 3. And I got restored on September 4. And I got married on October 16. So there is no reconnection. There is no news cycle that is cut off. You hear me? Cut off. No more. No more. Cut off. You're not better than the higher realms.